it's Miss Eileen from the library, and I have really missed you, and so I thought I would come outside today to do a video because it's such a beautiful day. I had some rain a couple days ago and it filled up my yard. It was just covered with water. It was a big pond, and so we couldn't really get outside and enjoy the weather. But now it's beautiful and it's sunny, and so I thought I would come out and do some singing with you. So I was inspired by the rain and the sun to do some songs. And I thought we could do a song that has to do with the raindrops. And you can make rain with your hands. First start snapping your fingers like this to make the pitter patter of the small little drizzles. And then you tap your hands on your lap like this to make it a little bit louder and a little bit faster. And then you can make it even louder, and then you stomp your feet and make a thunderstorm. And then if the rain quiets down, you can kind of go backwards. Can we make a rainstorm, everyone? Let's do it. Ready? Oh, and it's stopping again. Let's do a song about rain. It goes like this. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter patter, rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking, sun is peeking, sun is peeking out, peek. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling, rain is falling, rain is falling down, splash. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking out, peek. Sun is peeking, sun is peeking, sun is peeking out, peek. Let's do some rain again. All right, everyone, enjoy making some rain, and the next time we'll sing a song about the sun coming out. Bye, everyone.